So you can tell this bedroom isn't really spacious. The parents told me that the current layout doesn't meet the growing needs of their child. Now the kid is pumped up after eavesdropping on us as we talk about the makeover. Learn from Huge Boss's 4-step solution. Step 1. Recruit Superman and Wonder Woman to clear out this room in no time. Now grab some wooden planks from your uncle's basement to build a wardrobe complete with hanging rods, space for beddings, and a drawer for hiding semi-fresh undergarments. Use glass for sliding doors, so you can always check if your cat is hiding inside it. Put a full-body mirror at the corner to prepare the child for his future career in K-pop. Step 2. Visit your 7th cousin's garage and find all the steel frames they're hoarding. Grab some and ask if they also have a few nuts and bolts to spare. All these become the bed framing. Add wood panels to the frame. Put breathable rib cages for better air circulation. Pop a headboard with a hole. It's great for spotting shooting stars so kid can make a wish on time. Install soft paddings at the side for comfort. Put light switches and charging station for electronics. Also stack up some books about common sense. The top of the wardrobe is now a long table where you can place a projector to watch my videos on the wall. Cool! Next, visit your tribal chief and borrow a soft mattress. The child can now attend online classes as soon as he wakes up. Put a metal railing for total peace of mind. Throw in a ladder. The kiddo has to climb up and down from his bed daily, so it will prepare his legs to easily summit Mount Everest next year. Step 3. Build a bookshelf at the bottom of the bed. Stack here 1,000 more books about common sense. Set up a study desk right by the window. Extend it to the windowsill. This spot is the kids' headquarters for mastering the art of keeping things in order. Hang a magnetic whiteboard next to the desk. This is the secret weapon to get to Svalbard University. The nice view of the forest outside inspires the kid to write a new K-pop song. Step 4. Sneak in a secret door at the bed area. Throw in another ladder. This is the child's gateway to another dimension. Set up a gaming nook. Place it by the window so the child is aware of the days passing by during very intense games. Make a storage cabinet in the corner. Perfect for showing off his collection of creepy-looking toys. Install glass door. Pop a snack shelf next to it, packed with carrot chips in all flavors for full gaming energy. Slide in a mini fridge below. Fill it with bottles of fresh carrot juice. Can't go wrong with carrots. This esports room is your kid's training ground to represent your country in the next Olympic Games. This bedroom has enough space for clothing, spacious study zone, cozy resting spot, and a hidden esports arena. Your favorite child is officially geared up to be a living legend.